Happy morning, students. Hope all of you are doing well. I am also fine. Well, let us speak about discipline today. Discipline is a bridge between goals and accomplishments. There are a lot of benefits of self discipline. We need to understand this, which will give us motivation to become a systematic and more self-disciplined person. Let us discuss. Your priorities are lined up. Clear targets, lined up priorities, better focus, cuts down on confusions and uncertainties. Decision making becomes easy and life gets structured. अंडरस्टैंड दैट क्या करना है, ये भी करना है, वो भी करना है, इसको भी कंप्लीट करना है, उसको भी कंप्लीट करना है. तो मेनी स्टूडेंट्स फील कि अभी कौन सा पहले करने का, ठीक है जाने दो, मेरे से नहीं हो रहा है, मैं कुछ भी नहीं करता है. सो व्हेन यू आर गोइंग keeping your priorities lined up, then this is the most urgent one, this is the most important one, this is urgent and important, this is urgent but not so important, this is very very important even if it is not. So you have to prioritize which you have to work on. You are at your own command. Understand that you are driven by goals and values, not controlled by your whims and moods. You able to adopt good habits and ditch bad ones as you please. See, many students ask, मैम आप कैसा करते हो, डेली वो टाइम पे आ ही जाता है आपका मैसेज. See, it's a commitment. If initially when I started writing the blogs somewhere in the first week of April, like ठीक है एक संडे था तो सोचा आज तो संडे है मैं नहीं लिखती हूँ, बट शार्प अराउंड 10:15 आई गॉट ए कॉल फ्रॉम ए स्टूडेंट, मैम आज का नहीं मिला मुझे, शेयर नहीं किया. सो देन आई स्टार्टेड अंडरस्टैंडिंग देयर आर पीपल हु आर वेटिंग फॉर दैट मैसेज. दैट गिव मी द इंस्पिरेशन, लाइक नो, like thing is like you are at your own command. I'm not doing this to for my whims and moods. It is to as a good habit that has to be developed as a good habit. So daily blog, daily message for my students, I have to inspire them, I have to motivate them. That is my commitment. That makes us more self-disciplined. Then another thing is your guilt goes down. The guilt of doing the guilt of not doing the right thing at the right time has a power of weighing a person down significantly. Understand, the guilt will slow down your efficiency. Some burdens only when they are lifted makes us realize the weight they carried. So similarly, when you are working with peace and happiness, that makes a big difference in your life. So your standards rise when you are a self-disciplined person. A desire for the long-term rewards don't let you settle for anything less. It makes you unstoppable. You are not competing with anyone while doing something good. So instant gratification is a meaningless phenomenon. I am not supposed to think like how many students read the post, how many students reply for the post. So I get someday only one student press a reaction of like in the groups. So it becomes very I feel that कि बच्चे रीड किए रहेंगे, नहीं रीड किए रहेंगे. Then I realized, looking at the blog, like there are 70,000 plus readers all over the world. Not when I am writing it for my student, the other student all over the world is reading and getting it benefit. So what we need to do is to rise the standards and expectation, and instant gratification is a meaningless phenomenon. So focus on this particular thing. Then you feel fulfilled. Being true to yourself make you happy person who knows the real meaning of fulfillment. Definitely I don't deny that कि मैं इतना एक्टिविटीज़ देती है स्टूडेंट्स नहीं करते हैं तो मुझे भी थोड़ा बहुत तकलीफ इनिशियली होता था. Then I understood like there are thousands of people who are not working, but there are 10 or 20 students who are eagerly waiting. I get lot of message from students कि मैं मेरा मम्मी के साथ स्ट्रोल करती हूँ मैम, मेरा पेरेंट्स रियली लाइक टू रीड योर ब्लॉग्स मैम, और आप थोड़ा स्पिरिचुअलिटी के बारे में भी लिखेंगे क्या, मेरा पापा पूछ रहे थे. ऑल दिस स्टफ आते हैं ना, तो दैट गिव्स मी दैट इंस्पिरेशन, दैट गिव्स दैट फीलिंग ऑफ फुलफिलमेंट, दैट satisfaction. It's amazing. I can't express that happiness. I can't express that satisfaction what it is. Try, you will get that same feeling. You overcome a major roadblock to success. You have moved out of your own way of going and getting what you want in life. See, everybody's expectations varies, perception varies, and what is like everybody live their life to the fullest. So you overcome a major roadblock to success and you become more self-reliant. The more you are able to control yourself, the more self-reliant you become. You are more aware of your true potential. ठीक है, मूड आया एक दिवस कुछ मैंने स्टोरी बोल दिया, वीडियो बना के ख़त्म कर लिया. That is not the thing. There has to be the consistency. If I am giving daily message, there are students who are waiting for it. It is a commitment for them. Like I have to stay. कि मूड आया एक दिवस मैंने ब्लॉग लिख लिया and next day I am not writing. That is not going to work out. So it becomes like more self-reliant. So when I am doing it, unconditional giving when it comes, that itself will guide the potential. That is the true benefit of self-discipline, and that is the self-reliancy I am talking about. Going ahead, your relationship improve, like your relationship with yourself is a predictor of your relationship with other people. With good self-control, you become more and more trustworthy. Your self-worth, your self-esteem level increases. That will give you that confidence, that will boost your morale, and you become, goodness breed goodness. That is a very important aspect nobody can deny. And so that goodness, that gives you your self-esteem level. It improves your self-esteem level. Okay, then you save time and you save space to relax. Discipline enables you to do things on time, which saves you a lot of trouble. You become a calmer person with all your projects tackled and completed at the right time. Now I made a systematic. So morning first I will do a Bright Buddies activity for the day, then I will do research cell write up for the day, then I will work on that financial acumen booster. It can be an activity or it can be an explanatory thought. Then I will work on some inspirational audio, then I will go to MSc Finance or programming related thing. So I have made a time plan for the activity. See, otherwise what happens, I will also go mad. Other than that, I have to attend so many webinars now, converting myself as a teacher of next generation. It's not easy. We are going in the era of e-learning concept. So I have to prepare, I have to attend lot of webinar, I have to learn e techniques, how to make the virtual classroom more interesting. अगर मज़ा नहीं आ रहा है तो बच्चे सुनेंगे नहीं, तो मुझे उसको कैसा करना है. So I have to attend lot of FDP programs. So I need to manage time, but at the same time there are multiple projects. I am a teacher. See, I remember my 5th standard Sanskrit sir words, like आचार्यो न दुखम अर्हति, आचार्य मतलब टीचर, न दुखम मीन्स टीचर का भी दुखी होके डिप्रेस्ड होके नहीं बैठना है, कि आचार्य का कैसे क्या करना का है, आचार्य हमेशा पॉजिटिव रहना का है, चार्ज रहना है, हैप्पी रहना है, सो ही कैन और शी कैन ड्राइव इंस्पायर द नेक्स्ट जनरेशन. सो मैं हमेशा याद रखती हूँ कि मेरा कर्ताव सर ने क्या बोला था, आचार्यो न दुखम अर्हति, you don't have any right to get upset, you have to always lift yourself, your mood up. So by doing the good things you can do. Okay, now that the major things are taken care of, you actually have the time on your hands, so you can actually have fun at having fun. So I do everything like making a fun finance crossword, I enjoy that. Making a write up for my research students, I enjoy. See, when the moment I think about how many students it will be reading, my that feel factor will differ. So Tiwari sir always tell that कि बच्चा वो मत देखो, एक बच्चे रीड कर रहे हैं ना, that is more than enough. So you keep on doing. So that is the energy behind that, the driving force behind that. Self discipline is the driving force behind doing the multiple things. Now we are coming up with a spoken English certificate program. Like at the end of the day, when our students are feeling like not so confident to communicate, then as a teacher, even though I am supposed to teach them the research or finance or wealth management or project management, whatever it is, but at the end of the day, if the child is not having that confidence, as a teacher I have to ask myself, am I successful? So this thought process gave us that designing the spoken English certificate program. So our higher up readily give the permission. So we have coming up. So yesterday one day almost it had crossed 800 registration. And what is, students are asking, ma'am, what is the fee? The fee is your commitment. The fee is your happy learning. The fee is your attitude to upgrade yourself. So please do register and learn daily. The 15 hours spoken tutorials will be there, and the 15 hours there will be your assignment and test. So total 30 hours you need to learn. See, इसमें से क्या होता है, गुड मॉर्निंग पे मैग्निफिकेंट चेंज आने वाला है, डोंट ड्रीम ऑल दो स्टफ की, बट you start communicating in English. That is our essence. So self discipline is very, very important, and I am benefited by the self discipline. So I thought of sharing my experience with you all by the benefits of self discipline. Okay, so once you are set out on the road to self discipline, and through patience and perseverance, there are endless advantages for you. Believe me, children, ki there are endless advantages. Okay, then motivation gets you going, but discipline keeps you growing. So that is the learning for the day. I repeat, motivation gets you going, but discipline keeps you growing. So wish you all the best. Expect all of you to learn and grow. Thank you.